Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Reggae Girls head coach Hubert Busby Jr. says they met their objectives after beating hosts Peru 2-0 in the first of a two-match international friendly series on Sunday. Jody Brown opened the scoring in the 8th minute for the Jamaican women before Kayla McKenna sealed the win in the 52nd minute. The victory meant the Reggae Girls won 3 games in a row for the first time since 2022. Additionally, it was their first win on South American soil since 2018 when they defeated Colombia 2-1.
At the end of the day, it's about us getting a result and finding a way to get a result when you come to environments like this. It's what we're preparing for when it comes to potential, World Cup qualifiers on the horizon. But overall, I think, what was really promising was the fact that we were able to make a lot of subs, get a lot of young players, in some cases their debut, for them to come on and really sort of get the experience what it's like to play international football in these environments. And so for that perspective, the objectives are met and we're happy with that.
The second game will be played on Wednesday starting at 4 p.m. Jamaica time. Jamaica's under-20 Reggae Girls face a must-win game against hosts Nicaragua in their crucial top-of-the-table final Group D match in the semi-final round of World Cup qualifying this evening at 7 p.m. Jamaica time. A win for the Jamaicans will see them advancing to the final round of World Cup qualifying. They defeated St. Vincent and the Grenadines under-20s 7-0 in their opening match before turning back St. Kitts and Nevis 4-0 in their second encounter. The young Jamaican women are second in the group on 6 points, the same as the Nicaraguans, who are atop the group with a better goal difference. They possess a plus 11 goal difference, while the Nicaraguans have a plus 13 goal differential. Only the group winners will advance to the final round of qualifying. 6 group winners will join the USA and Mexico in the final round of qualification. The USA and Mexico were handed byes to the CONCACAF Championship final round. And finally, Jamaica's women were 187 for 4 in their opening CG United Women's Super 50 Cup clash against Trinidad and Tobago at Warner Park in St. Kitts. Stephanie Taylor 42 and Abigail Bryce 1 are the not-out batters at the crease. Captain Rashada Williams made 51, while Shadeen Nation made 37. Jodian Morgan was out for 22. West Indies under-19 captain Samara Ramnath, Krishma Ramarak, Anisa Mohammed and Amarita Ramtahal all claimed a wicket each. The tournament, which runs from February 20 to March 9, will feature 50-over matches exclusively, with a break scheduled to accommodate the West Indies' participation in the ICC World Cup qualifiers. The T20 format will resume in late April. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.